Hello everyone, your favorite chef is here, and today we're gonna make chocolate peanut butter bars, so stay tuned. Heat the water and then steam the butter. While it's melting, you wanna add dark chocolate. While it's melting, we're gonna add sugar. And now it's only left to wait for a few minutes. For more darker color, you can add a cocoa powder. Now add your melted chocolate in cupcake pan. It should be around 4 tablespoons of chocolate for each one cupcake, but we're gonna make a bar, so it's chocolate peanut butter bar in cupcake model. By additional, you can add nuts in melted chocolate or any kind of fruit that you like it, but not in big size amount, just small one, just to make that little difference in taste. And now let it to cool down in fridge for at least 30 minutes. I'm using my homemade peanut butter to cover that chocolate and to make our peanut chocolate bars. Yeah, we can say like that. You can find the recipe in the description below. It's so easy, you're gonna love it. Yeah, I know that I'm saying like I'm talking like some old Russian, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope guys that you enjoy. Don't forget to press that button subscribe, and see you next video.